We're now making steamed salmon with ginger and black bean sauce. The first thing we're going to do is make the ginger and black bean sauce. Now, the black beans we're going to use are an Asian black bean. They're salted. We're going to be soaking them in water, but we're not going to throw the water away. That water, very highly salted now, is going to be used to balance out the sweetness of this sauce, so don't discard your soaking water. Got ginger, garlic, and chili ready to go, along with some diced chili. Now this dressing that we're making, not only for the steamed salmon, makes an amazing stir-fry paste, but it's much more than that. It'll last for up to a month in your fridge. It goes very nicely on scallops. It goes nicely on beef, on pork. It's an all-rounder, so keep it close to your heart. Yeah, black beans are going in now. It's all nice and fragrant.
Are you mushing them?
Some sweet Indonesian soy. Okay, so the ketchup manis is in there. Indonesian soy, quite sweet. It's made with dark palm sugar. Exercise caution when using it because it can be the death of a dish. Now it's becoming extremely aromatic now, chefs. It's almost caramelizing in that beautiful concoction there. Now it's obviously very sweet from adding two types of sugar. One, the ketchup manis, two, the palm sugar. So we need to now salt it with the remainder left over soaking liquid from our black beans. Now we'll have a little taste and we'll see what we think. A little bit more. Getting quite thick now, almost really similar to a jam consistency. We'll turn it off a little bit. We need to let it cool before we apply it to the salmon. We'll turn that wok off now. There'll be enough residual heat to keep it cooking just a little bit more. Okay, we're going to just finish it off by seasoning it with some black pepper. Now I just want to show you the consistency of this because it is quite thick. Okay, and like we said, this will keep for, I reckon, a good happy month in your fridge in a jar. There you have it, chefs, ready to go. Your black bean, ginger and chili sauce, ready to rock and roll. If your dressing is a little bit thick, you can add a little bit more of the reserve soaking water to it to loosen up a little bit. Okay, so that's what we're after. Now what we're doing here, we've just popped the bamboo lid from the steamer basket on top of the wok to bring it up to heat quicker. Okay, water's boiling. Lift the lid away from you, not towards you. Spoonful on each piece of salmon. And we'll let that go for 7 minutes. All right, chefs, we'll just have a little sneaky peek halfway through cooking. See how we're going. Now we're just touching this, giving it a little poke, okay? See where we're up to. We're almost there. How do we know? Well, hold your hand out like so. This is rare. Just here, you poke, just here, it's rare. Now, press that in, not too hard, medium rare. Medium, medium well, well done. We're kind of going in between here and here, in between medium rare and medium. We're about 2 minutes off. Time's up. So, again, chefs, safety first. You're going to present this though directly to the table like this. So we're just going to quickly garnish it and take it straight to the table. And you've got dinner ready to rock and roll. Now, if you didn't have a bamboo steamer, you could use a cake rack over a pan. That'd be absolutely fine. It's not the be all to end all, but you know, for a $7 investment, it's kind of worthwhile. So we'll just garnish this with a little bit of coriander. Some julienne chili on top as well. And if you were going to take this to the dining table, you could put a plate underneath just to stop any drips, but there we go.